First up, we are bringing you our top story, a big matter of concern. We woke up to a tragic news this morning. In a tragic and surprising turn of events, actress and model Shefali Jariwala, best known for her iconic appearance in the 2002's music video Kaanta Laga, has passed away at the age of just 42. And as per the sources, Shefali suffered a cardiac arrest late on June 27th of 2025. Now her husband, actor Parag Tyagi, rushed her to Bellevue Multi-Specialty Hospital in Mumbai, but she was declared dead on arrival. In fact, we spoke to the hospital staff. Shefali, as per their word, had already passed away before she reached the hospital. While her family has not yet issued any official statement about her death, sources have indicated that she was suffering and in fact battling epilepsy from past 15 years, a neurological condition that can cause unprovoked seizures, possibly contributing to the sudden cardiac episode. Parag Tyagi was later seen arriving at the Cooper Hospital where in fact her post-mortem is being conducted. Remember, Shefali rose to instant fame with a very popular music video Kaanta Laga back in the year of 2002 and quickly became a pop culture sensation. She went on to appear in other music videos such as Kabhi Yaar Kabhi Paar and acted in films like Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, Hudu Guru and also Ratri Ke Yatri. She in fact also featured in TV shows including Nach Baliye 5 and Nach Baliye 7 with her partner Parag Tyagi and gained renewed fame as a contestant on Bigg Boss 13, the very same season where Siddharth Shukla was also a contestant. Her last television appearance was in the 2024 show Shaitani Rasme. Just 3 days before her passing, Shefali had shared an Instagram post from a photo shoot, donning a glittering jumpsuit and captioning it with "Bling It On Baby." News of her untimely death has left the industry in shock at the moment. But amidst all of that, with regards to the investigation which is currently going on as far as Shefali Jariwala's sudden demise is concerned, we've got some breaking news through our sources also coming in. Shefali was undergoing a treatment for which she was taking some medicines, is what we've been given to understand through our sources. We are also learning that Amboli police has recorded Shefali's husband Parag Tyagi's statement. The forensic team appeared on spot, which is Shefali's residence. They also did the investigation from inside of the house, and as of now they have collected the medical reports with them for further investigation into Shefali's death probe. We have also understood that Shefali's father and sister have reached Cooper Hospital.
बॉलीवुड अभिनेत्री शेफाली जरीवाला का जो शव है इस वक्त मुंबई के इसी कूपर अस्पताल में लाया गया है और यहाँ पर अब पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट का इंतजार किया है ताकि इसमें जो साफ तौर पर स्पष्ट हो जाएगा कि आखिर शेफाली जरीवाला जिनके बारे में जो जानकारी आ रही है कि कार्डियक अरेस्ट होने की वजह से उनकी मौत हुई है, लेकिन पुलिस अब इस मामले में अब तक 4 अलग अलग लोगों से पूछताछ की है। हालांकि अब इस अस्पताल के अंदर उनके पिता और उनकी बहन वो इस वक्त मौजूद है और पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आने का इंतजार कर रहे हैं। उसके बाद जब पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट एक बार आ जाती है तो उसके बाद जो अस्पताल प्रशासन है वो परिजनों को उनका शव जो है वो हैंड ओवर कर देता है ताकि जो अंतिम प्रक्रिया है वो पूरी कर चुके हैं। उनके पिता की अगर हम बात करें तो सतीश और उनकी बहन शिवानी इस वक्त अंदर हैं और जिम ट्रेनर को भी बुलाया गया है ताकि ये पूछताछ की जाए कि आखिर ये जो परिजन है इनसे शव दिया जाए। लेकिन ये जो मौत हुई है एक रहस्यमय बना है। पुलिस इसी मामले में अलग अलग एंगल से जांच कर रही है। फॉरेंसिक की टीम भी जो है उनके घर पे शेफाली के घर पर पहुंची थी और कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट जो है वो लेके गई। शेफाली ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि वो उन्हें एक बीमारी है, 15 साल की उम्र से उन्हें मिर्गी पहली बार आई थी, उसके बाद तमाम उनकी जो इलाज हुआ था। तो पुलिस मामले में यही जाँच कर रही थी कि अब वाकई में शेफाली का जो निधन हुआ है बीती रात वो कार्डियक अरेस्ट होने की वजह से आया है या इसमें कोई और वजह है। इसी वजह से लगातार उनके पति जो हैं उनसे भी पूछताछ हुई है। अब तक 4 लोगों से पूछताछ करने के बाद पुलिस अब आगे की इसमें जांच कर रही है। लेकिन फिलहाल शेफाली जरीवाला का जो निधन हुआ है उसके बाद से पूरे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एक शोक की लहर है कि आखिर जिस तरह से जो हार्ट अटैक से मौत हो रही है ये आखिर कब थमेगा। आपको बता दें कि शेफाली जरीवाला जो है बिग बॉस 13 की भी कंटेंट थे। इसी बिग बॉस 13 कंटेंट में एक और जो एक्टर थे उनकी भी मौत जो है इसी हार्ट अटैक की वजह से हुई थी। तो कुल मिलाकर कहा जाए जिस तरह से जो घटना घटी है वाकई में पूरे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एक शोक की लहर है।
All right, let's discuss this concerning issue of why so many young actors are dying because of heart attack and what could be the possible reason behind the young people getting cardiac arrests. Max Hospital's cardiologist Dr. Manoj Kumar is joining us here for the chat. Dr. Manoj, thank you so much for speaking to News 9. Sir, you must have heard about the news of an actress who was just 42 years old. She died because of a cardiac arrest, sir. We have been given to understand through the preliminary investigation as of now. Further investigation details will also appear here at News 9. But I would really like to understand from you, what could be the possible reason behind the death of so many young people? Because in this case, Shefali happened to be a fitness enthusiast. She was extremely fit. She used to do her yoga and she was a gym fanatic. Despite all of that, she got cardiac arrest at the age of just 42.
Actually, very tragic news in the early morning that young actress died of cardiac arrest, a possible cardiac arrest. First thing I want to discuss with the viewers that cardiac arrest is a unexpected death when the symptoms begins and death occurs within 1 hour. There are so many reasons for the cardiac arrest. One of the most important most common reason is heart attack. Heart attack is a situation when the artery supplying the heart muscles becomes blocked, 100% blocked. There is no blood supply to the heart muscles. This happens as a atherothrombosis. There is some plaque deposition on your artery. It ruptures, it mixes with the clot, and complete occlusion of the artery takes place. That is the heart attack. But there are so many other reasons for the cardiac arrest or sudden cardiac death. One of the important is arrhythmia. That means very irregular heartbeat. Heart becomes stand still because there is no effective pumping of the blood in the body. So that is the possibility that she died of this cardiac arrest, and it is very common. 7 lakhs sudden cardiac death per year reported in our country, and every 30 seconds there is a case of heart attack. So landscape of cardiovascular disease or heart disease is changing. Now it is not a disease of 60 or 70. It is happening. The most 50% of the heart attack occurs in the age of less than 50 years. And especially after COVID, we have seen that 18 to 45 years age group is very susceptible to this heart attack. So things are changing. There are conventional risk factors, Sakshi, like diabetes, high blood pressure, smoking, positive family history, high cholesterol level. But newer risk factor like stress and sedentary lifestyle, Shithil Jeevan Shaili. This is very important risk factor. Obesity, or also obesity kills more than smoking. So sedentary lifestyle is very important contributing factor for nowadays and happening in young adults, especially the gym goers. What I say in the Hindi, that बाहर से सुंदर और सुडौल दिखना ही आपके स्वस्थ शरीर का परिचायक नहीं है. You have to see your biochemistry, how is your lipid, what are the other risk factors like diabetes, high blood pressure. As you narrated that she was taking some anti-epileptic drugs. Anti-epileptic drugs are also, they can cause cardiac arrhythmias. There are some drugs which can, I don't know the medical history of the lady, but definitely there are some drugs which is used for the epilepsy. There are many drugs which are used for the obesity reduction, for anti-aging drugs. These are also hormone-based drugs, increases the incidence of cardiovascular disease. No doubt there is an epidemic of cardiovascular disease in our country, especially young Indians are very prone to develop this type of things and happening every day because nowadays you see that very fit, physically fit, looking fit, every day going for yoga, every day going for the gym, and they are dying of heart attack. Something hidden risk factor is also there. Especially I emphasize that genetic factor or positive family history is also very important for this. COVID has given the last nail in the coffin.
Absolutely.
After COVID, we see that there is definite increase in the risk of sudden
On that
cardiac
point, Dr. Manoj, since you have mentioned COVID, the chatter around the vaccination is back into the picture. I've been looking at my social media. People are again talking about, the number of heart attacks increasing suddenly after COVID. And also gone are the days when we used to, associate cardiac arrest with any certain age limit. Now even the young people are getting it. Apart from that, you also mentioned something very crucial, that maybe anti-seizure or anti anti-epileptic drugs can be one of the causes because it makes the heart weak. Would you like to, enlighten our viewers on that aspect as well?
Definitely, COVID itself, COVID was a pneumonia. It was a SARS-CoV-2 pneumonia, but it affected the blood vessels lining. It has damaged the endothelium of the blood vessels, and it also increased the incidence of clotting. So coagulation and damage to the lining of the blood vessels, arteries, is responsible for increased incidence of heart attack. For the vaccines, there is no proven data. Only there are few rare side effects of AstraZeneca vaccine, which was TTS, thrombotic thrombocytopenic syndrome. There was clot formation, but it was very rare. Whatever ICMR data and Indian research data is available, COVID vaccine is not directly related to this heart attack, but definitely COVID itself. COVID disease is related. Even the mild COVID, who suffered mild COVID, they have also a risk for heart disease or heart attack or cardiovascular disease incidence is increased in these cases. Second thing, drug induced, especially the epilepsy, phenytoin, these are the cardiac arrhythmia producing drugs, may be possible overdose. This is the a matter of investigations. We can't say right now, postmortem report, because if she died of cardiac arrest or heart attack, there will be definite some postmortem evidence of heart damage, myocardium damage. So that can be found out after the postmortem report. But definitely, drug-induced arrhythmias are common, and we have to inquire the medical history of the patient, what medications she was having for a long term, and what any other weight reducing drugs, any anti-aging drugs, all questions should be answered.